Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's exactly what we talked about. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you did a good job conveying it all. Okay, so the order came in 25th. When was the motion heard? Oh, okay. Well, when did he review the motion? When did you file it? Okay, so filed 18th. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Well, I think if you called me on the 18th, the trial was on the 15th, right? Okay, so yeah, I remember that day now. So it was the day I got off the phone with you last time is when you filed it? Okay. Gotcha. Okay. 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 Yeah, that's actually what I wanted to do. Like, I just want to throw some attachments and links and just like let you direct me to what you want to go over. But first of all, if you have my police report in front of you, the one that has the witness narrative, the victim narrative, like, do you see where he wrote in his handwriting like what happened? It's like near the back of that package. And also, as a quick question while you're flipping, did you retrieve the my first appearance video and the 911 calls? Well, I also want, like, I'm kind of curious as to what I said to the judge because. Okay. Yeah, like I just want it mainly for my own benefit, and I don't know how to retrieve it on my own. Gotcha. Okay, well, like, just as some backstory, well, actually, let's look at the statement first, because I got that right in front of me, the victim's narrative. Okay, you see where it says the total value of property stolen, damaged? Okay, you see how that's $8, right? And I was alleging that, I only, I went in and ordered one beer, and I didn't really order it, it was just kind of, I didn't. Mhm. Correct. Mhm. Yeah. Correct. Mhm. Yeah, and if you look closely at his handwriting, he wrote a 4 and changed it into an 8, which is consistent with what I told you the first day I read it. And like in his handwriting, it says total value of property stolen / damaged in that little box next to it. If you look at it closely, it's a 4, and he changed it into an 8. And I only caught this recently. And you know what's good, Mr. Policier, is you handed me this police report, and I told you that my story as soon as I heard it, and I caught this recently, and this confirms what I said, so I wanted to pass that tip to you. Because he'll have to explain that on the stand. He's going to say, why'd you change it to an 8? Yep, that's all I wanted to tell you from that. And the rest we can look at the attachments. Yeah. Correct. Yes. Mm-hmm. Correct. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah, well, it's mainly just to earn your trust, because that really looks good on me and bad on him. Correct. Correct. Yes. Correct. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's just a talking point, but it's still pretty good. Correct. Correct. Uh-huh. Correct. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Correct. It's not, doesn't make a difference in the law. Yeah, but what I'm trying to say is I think that once you get off the phone, you'll be able to think of speaking points you could ask him on the stand. In other words, it's just something that's a minor talking point. But moving on to the next thing, if you want to also stick with this police report, they said that, okay, the cops said that I said I hit the guy with the passenger side of my hood. That's what the statement reads. Like the cops are saying, let me find it. Well, I guess just make a note in here that somewhere it says that I said. Okay. Okay, let me put the phone down for 1 second. Okay, look on the supplemental report. The very last page, where it only has like a third of the page has writing and the bottom 2/3 is blank. If you look at the top paragraph, okay, yeah, the third line of the top paragraph, it says front passenger side, and it says Mr. Kelly stated. And what worries me, Mr. Felicio, is like, okay, the third line of the first paragraph, it says passenger when it should say driver.